Hello and welcome. So today we are going to crochet this. I'm just going to show you how to crochet around a flip-flop, just to customize it, make it different, decorate it. So just crochet around here, and I'm going to show you how to crochet this hat. As you can see, it's cute, isn't it? Yeah, so I just used the color that matched the color of the flip-flop. So this is what we're going to do today. So if you've got about 20 minutes, because that's how long it takes, let's do this. So I'm just going to use this 6mm crochet hook and my t-shirt yarn. So I'm gonna start by making a magic circle. I'm gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After chain 3, I am going to make 3 treble crochet. That's 1, 2, 3 treble crochet. That's our 3 treble crochet. After the 3 treble crochet, we're gonna do 3 double crochet. So this is where we're at now. So I'll just show you what I did. Did the 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and then I did 1, 2, 3 single crochet, and then I did 1, 2, 3 double crochet. After that I did 1, 2, 3 treble crochet. So at the 3rd treble crochet, after the 3rd treble crochet, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 single crochet, and then pull this a bit long like this and let it out so that it goes through the hole there, and take your crochet hook to the back of the hat shape and then just pop it through there, and then you pull it through the back of the hat shape, and we're just going to hook it through there and pull it out, and then just flip it like that, and then just pull it out to tighten, and also tighten this one, and then we got our heart shape now. Yep, there is our heart shape. So now we're going to attach it to the flip-flop. There we are. Just weave it through. You can even use the big hook anyway, it will do the same. Just weave it through to hide it so that it's not visible. Yes, I think that's woven through enough, so I'm just going to cut this right into my scissors on the floor. So I'm just going to cut this. So there's our flip-flop, so done. We'll just trim this off. Now we're gonna put the hat now, attach it onto the flip-flop so that it matches. So this is how I attached this one on this one facing that way. So that means it needs to face that way so that everything is nice and matching. So you can either use a needle if you have a big needle just to stitch it here, or you can just use this crochet hook to weave this one through here, and then I'm just gonna weave it through this side as well, and then I will just tie them together, and then just tie them tightly together. You could use glue if you like, or stitch. I'm not a fan of glue, so I'm just gonna tie it here. Just gonna tie it here. Like that. So I'm just going to tie it sort of at the top here where you can't really see. So once you